Welcome to Muscular Brain, Fat Wallet, where we help you grow your wealth with smart, strategic investments. In today's video, we're diving deep into an exciting way to buy property in Dubai that not many people talk about: auction properties. Whether you're a first-time investor or a seasoned pro, this guide will cover everything you need to know about buying property through auctions in Dubai, including the types of auctions, the procedures, how to bid, and, of course, the potential risks and benefits. We'll also walk you through Dubai's official auction platform, eMart, which is run by the Dubai Land Department, and explain how to navigate foreclosure auctions. So stick around till the end because this is a great opportunity for those looking for real estate deals in one of the world's hottest property markets. Let's get started. Section 1. What is a property auction? Let's kick things off by explaining what a property auction is. Simply put, a property auction is a public sale where real estate is sold to the highest bidder. The process is quick, competitive, and, if you know what you're doing, a fantastic way to score properties at potentially lower than market prices. In Dubai, property auctions are gaining traction, especially as more and more distressed or foreclosed properties enter the market. But before we dive into the specifics, it's essential to understand the different types of auctions available for foreign and local investors. Section 2. Types of property auctions in Dubai. There are generally two types of property auctions in Dubai that you need to be aware of. 1. Foreclosure auctions. These occur when a property owner defaults on their mortgage, and the bank repossesses the property to recover the unpaid loan balance. The bank then lists the property for sale via an auction to quickly liquidate it. Foreclosure auctions are particularly appealing to buyers because these properties can often be sold at below market prices. However, they also come with some risks, which we'll talk about later. 2. Government auctions. These are auctions organized by the Dubai government, often through its official eMart platform. More on this in the next section. Government auctions typically involve properties that were previously owned by the government or confiscated due to legal issues, unpaid taxes, or other reasons. These auctions also offer some good deals, as the government aims to sell the properties efficiently. Both types of auctions offer unique opportunities to investors, and understanding the differences is crucial to making an informed investment. Section 3. Dubai Land Department's eMart platform. Now, let's talk about how property auctions are conducted in Dubai. One of the main platforms for this is eMart, which is managed by the Dubai Land Department, DLD. What is eMart? eMart is an online platform that allows buyers to browse and bid on auction properties. It was created to make the auction process more accessible, transparent, and efficient. On eMart, you can find various types of properties, from residential apartments to commercial buildings and plots of land. How eMart works: register on the platform. To participate in property auctions on eMart, you'll need to create an account and register as a bidder. You'll also need to provide identification documents, such as your passport, and a deposit, usually around 20% of the property's estimated value. Browse listings. Once registered, you can browse the properties listed for auction. Each property will have a starting bid price, a reserve price, if applicable, and details about the auction date and time. Bidding process. During the auction, you can place bids in real time. Bidding continues until no one places a higher bid. If you win, you'll be notified immediately, and the next steps for payment and transfer will be outlined. Finalizing the sale. After winning the bid, you'll need to complete the purchase within a set period, usually 30 days. You'll also be required to pay the full amount, if you didn't secure a mortgage, or arrange financing. Section 4. How to buy property through auction in Dubai. Now that you understand the basics of Dubai's auction landscape, let's dive into the step-by-step process of buying auction property in Dubai. Whether it's a government auction or a foreclosure sale, the process is quite structured but requires attention to detail. Step 1. Research properties. Before you even think about bidding, the first and most crucial step is research. Look at the property listings on eMart or other auction platforms, and make sure you fully understand the property's market value, condition, and location. 1. Inspect the property. In some cases, you can arrange an inspection before the auction. 1. This is particularly important for older properties or those being sold by banks, as they might have maintenance issues. Step 2. Register for the auction. To participate in the auction, you must register with the Dubai Land Department or the auction organizer, whether it's a bank or government agency. You'll need to submit required documents, such as a passport copy, and pay a refundable deposit of around 20% of the property's estimated value. Step 3. Secure financing. If you're planning to finance the purchase with a mortgage, you'll need pre-approval from a bank. Many banks in Dubai offer auction financing, but they typically require larger down payments for auction properties, often 50% or more of the purchase price. Step 4. Participate in the auction. On the day of the auction, you'll log into eMart, or attend the auction in person, depending on the type of sale. Auctions can be competitive, so set your maximum bid limit in advance. 1. Tip: always stay disciplined and avoid getting caught up in a bidding war. 1. Auction fever can cause buyers to overbid, eroding the financial benefit of buying at auction. Step 5. Complete the transaction. If you win the auction, you'll typically have 30 days to complete the purchase. This includes securing final financing, if applicable, paying any outstanding balance, and signing the necessary documents to transfer ownership. 1. Transfer fees. You'll also need to pay the Dubai Land Department's 4% transfer fee and other administrative costs related to the sale. Section 5. Costs and fees involved in auction properties. While auction properties in Dubai can offer great deals, you still need to budget for several costs. Here's a breakdown of the most common fees. 1. Deposit. To participate in the auction, a refundable deposit of 20% of the property's value is required. This deposit is returned if you don't win the auction but will be forfeited if you win and fail to complete the purchase. 2. Transfer fee. The Dubai Land Department charges a 4% transfer fee on the property's final purchase price. This is a mandatory fee for all real estate transactions in Dubai. 3. Mortgage fees. If you're financing the purchase, banks typically charge a 1% mortgage processing fee and a valuation fee, around AED 2,500 to 3,500 United Arab Emirates dirhams. 4. NOC fees. In some cases, a no objection certificate, NOC, from the developer is required, especially if you're buying off-plan or a property still under construction. NOC fees can range from AED 500 to 5,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams, depending on the developer. 5. Miscellaneous fees. This can include legal fees, if you hire a lawyer, or any maintenance or service charges that are due on the property. Section 6. Benefits of buying property at auction. There are several advantages to purchasing a property at auction in Dubai. If you're strategic and do your research, auctions can present an excellent investment opportunity. 1. Below market prices. One of the main attractions of auction properties is the potential to buy below market value. Banks and governments often want to liquidate properties quickly, which can result in lower prices for savvy investors. 2. No agent fees. Because auctions are direct sales, you don't have to pay any real estate agent fees, which can save you around 25% of the property's price. 3. Immediate ownership. Once the auction is completed and you've made the payment, you get immediate ownership of the property. This is great for investors who want to start generating rental income as soon as possible. 4. Wide range of properties. Dubai's auction market offers a variety of properties, from luxury villas to commercial units and even undeveloped plots of land. This diversity means there's something for every type of investor, whether you're looking for a home, a rental property, or a commercial investment. Section 7. Risks involved in buying auction properties. While there are significant benefits to buying property at auction, there are also risks you need to be aware of. 1. No guarantee of property condition. Unlike a traditional real estate transaction, auction properties are sold as is, meaning you won't always have the chance to inspect the property thoroughly before bidding. There could be hidden defects, costly repairs, or unpaid service fees that you inherit as the new owner. 2. Auction fever and overbidding. Bidding wars can happen, especially for highly desirable properties. It's easy to get caught up in the competitive nature of auctions and end up bidding more than you initially intended. Setting a strict budget beforehand and sticking to it is crucial. 3. Complex legal issues. Some auction properties may have legal complications, such as unresolved liens, disputes over ownership, or pending litigation. You must conduct thorough due diligence to ensure the property has clear title and is free of legal encumbrances. 4. Limited time for due diligence. Once you win a property at auction, you typically have a limited time frame, usually around 30 days, to finalize your purchase. This can put pressure on you to complete necessary inspections, secure financing, and resolve any legal issues quickly. 5. Potential financial loss. If you're unable to complete the purchase for any reason, e.g., inability to secure financing, you risk losing your deposit. Understanding the financial implications is vital before entering the bidding process. Section 8. How to participate in a property auction. If you're interested in participating in a property auction in Dubai, here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started. Step 1. Do your research before participating in any auction. Familiarize yourself with the auction process, property market trends, and specific regulations related to property ownership in Dubai. Online forums, investment groups, and real estate websites can be valuable resources. Step 2. Select your properties. Once registered on the eMart platform or other auction sites, browse available properties and select a few that fit your investment criteria. Pay attention to details such as location, property size, and potential rental yields. Step 3. Visit the properties if possible. Arrange to visit the properties you're interested in before the auction date. This gives you a clearer understanding of their condition and helps you gauge their potential value. Step 4. Attend pre-auction briefings. Many auction houses and the Dubai Land Department host briefings or seminars about the auction process. Attend these sessions to clarify any questions you may have and to gather tips from experienced investors. Step 5. Prepare financially. Ensure you have your finances in order before bidding. Obtain pre-approval for a mortgage if you plan to finance the property, and make sure you have the necessary funds for the deposit and transfer fees. Step 6. Participate in the auction on the auction day. Log into eMart or attend in person. Stay calm and focused, and remember to bid within your predetermined budget. Step 7. Complete the transaction. If you win the auction, follow the next steps outlined by the auction platform or bank to finalize the purchase. This may include signing contracts, paying the remaining balance, and transferring ownership. Section 9. Tips for success in property auctions. To enhance your chances of success when buying properties at auction, consider the following tips. 1. Know your market. Understanding Dubai's real estate market trends can provide valuable insight into property values. Research recent sales data for similar properties to help you determine a reasonable bidding limit. 2. Be informed about auction rules. Different auctions may have varying rules regarding registration, deposits, and bidding processes. Familiarize yourself with these rules ahead of time to avoid surprises on auction day. 3. Establish a maximum bid for each property and stick to it. This will help you avoid emotional bidding and ensure you remain within your budget. 4. Stay calm and confident. Auction environments can be chaotic and competitive. Stay calm, collected, and focused on your strategy. Confidence can go a long way in making effective bidding decisions. 5. Network with other investors. Connecting with other real estate investors can provide you with insights, strategies, and potential partnerships. They may share valuable information about upcoming auctions or property evaluations. Section 10. Conclusion. In conclusion, buying properties at auction in Dubai can be a rewarding investment strategy if done correctly. With the potential for below-market prices, no agent fees, and the opportunity for immediate ownership, it's no wonder that auctions are becoming increasingly popular among investors. However, the process also comes with its risks. Hidden property issues, legal complications, and the pressure to make quick decisions can make auctions daunting. By doing thorough research, understanding the auction process, and preparing financially, you can position yourself for success. As always, be sure to conduct due diligence and consider seeking legal advice before making any significant investment. The Dubai property market offers incredible opportunities for those willing to navigate its complexities, and auctions are just one of the many avenues available. Thank you for watching this comprehensive guide on buying auction properties in Dubai. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Muscular Brain, Fat Wallet for more insights on investing, finance, and business. Feel free to leave your questions or comments below, and let us know if there are other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.